GRTS News.
The Gambia Radio and Television Services has concluded a 5-day training for managers drawn from all departments and units of the state broadcaster. The training, which focuses on administrative data analysis and information management, is meant to improve the capacities of some of the most important personnel in the institution's operational structure. GRTS's Aissatou M. Jane attended the conclusion of the training, and this is her report.
These are middle-level managers, the very people who are at the heart of the state broadcaster's operational structure. For the past week, they have been receiving critical training in administrative data analysis and information management using artificial intelligence to enhance performance. It is part of GRTS management's broader strategy of promoting human capital development and enhanced operational efficiency in meeting the demands of transforming the institution into a world-class broadcasting institution. The 5-day intensive training introduced participants to modern-day artificial tools such as cloud, Microsoft Copilot, and ChatGPT, all highlighting how technology can support data analysis, reporting, and productive decision-making for managers. Amongst the range of topics covered during the 5-day training includes Excel fundamentals, data organization, formulas and functions, and other essential data analysis techniques. Speaking on behalf of the management, Ibu Jaju, the manager of HR and admin at the Gambia Radio and Television Services, reaffirms management's unrelenting commitment to providing such platforms in a bid to boost the staff understanding of modern-day technology for institutional growth.
As a department responsible for human capital development, HR and admin, well, one of the things that we are usually particular about is to make sure that we give you the right tools. And one of those tools is the knowledge that is needed for you to successfully execute your duties. On behalf of HR and Admin Department, I want to assure you that we'll continue providing trainings of this nature, year in, year out, and with the hope that at the end of the day, our operations at GRTS will also improve significantly.
Participants also applied some analytical concepts and methods from the training, using Google Sheets, enhancing their ability to manage and analyze data in a cloud-based environment. Lamin Fofana, the lead trainer, urged participants to leverage the knowledge gained during the course of the training and put it into practice for a greater understanding and better administrative performance.
Just like Ibu rightly said, this day and age is not about working too hard. It's about working smart. We are in the age of information communication technology. At least you've got a very, very good foundation. So what is left is for you to improve on it and you practice. Continuous practicing. So please practice, 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 and then inshallah the sky will be the limit.
For the participants, the opportunity couldn't have come at a better time, as it will greatly contribute to their skills, which will yield better outcomes for the greater good of the institution.
Already we have enhanced the job. 3/4 of the job we're doing. Yeah, because if you're using AI to do your jobs, you will be able to, do your job in a fast pace and be giving accurate information, yeah, depending on how you prompt your AI to give you your details. So basically, these are things that we have learned, and I believe it will go a long way in helping all the managers that are here to be able to better enhance the way they send in their outputs.
Overall, the training focused on data visualization with Google Data Studio, aiming to enhance skills in data analysis, data management, and the use of AI-powered tools for informed decision-making and reporting. Aissatou M. Jane, GRTS.